Hi guys, so Sephora had a luxe edition of their play box, so I had to purchase it. It was $25 and I thought it came in like a little silk pouch, but this pouch is kind of vinyl or plastic almost, and it has a little bit of a strange scent to it, so I thought maybe I could use this for my brushes, but probably not. So anyway, here's the big deal, what's inside. It just came this morning. So there are several different little samples. It's their luxe version, so they've got some more prestige brands. So they've got a Guerlain primer, Radiance concentrate with pure gold makeup base. So that came, it's a little bottle, 5 milliliters. So I got that. There also is a small sample of the YSL Tattoo Couture liquid lipstick, which is a very bright red, Tattoo Couture matte stain. Very bright red. And they also sent a perfume sample. So we've got that, which is a little bit bigger size than the normal perfume sample. So if you like perfume, I'll take that. It's Altier Cologne Iris Rebelle. And then they also sent a Giorgio Armani mascara, Ice to Kill Classico, which is a black mascara. It's also like a deluxe sample size, so it's okay. You'll definitely get some use out of that. But and then also they sent 2 more little things. I've got a La Mer eye concentrate, so I'll definitely be reviewing that soon. So that's actually a good deal if you like La Mer. It's worth it. And one more little sample in here, and that is the tiniest little bottle of the SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age Cream. But it is tiny, so that's pretty much what you get. It's 0.08 ounces, which is 2.5 milliliters, so it's like the smallest thing. And then they also sent some actually really nice little description cards in here, but to be honest, I'd have rather gotten another sample instead of the cards, but anyway, whatever. They make it up, so I don't know, kind of fun. So if it's worth it, if you see anything you like, it's $25. And don't forget, if you buy it on Sephora, to use a promo code. And Ebates is at 8% today. So if you haven't checked into Ebates, it's worth checking into because they really just give you money to buy things. So I've got a referral code at the bottom. So if you're interested in checking that out, if you haven't used it before, it's worth it. So anyway, so that is what's in the Sephora Luxe Play Box. So anyway, Ike is ready for his daily nap. I need to build him his own bathroom because he likes to take up my bathroom. So as you can see. Anyway, so I hope you guys are having a good day, and check for more reviews tomorrow. Thank you so much.